Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today we are going to see about the simple web page creation. So this is containing the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let us create a simple interactive web page using HTML for structure, CSS for design and JavaScript for behavior. So you are going to give the outer layout of the UI with HTML structure. CSS is going to design the HTML page and JavaScript is going to give the dynamic behavior for the HTML page. So the HTML structure contains this program. It provides the skeleton of the web page. It defines what content appears. Doc type HTML, you are going to create a document HTML. HTML is a starting tag, header. Inside the header, you will be providing the title, and inside the body, you are going to provide the header, paragraph, button, everything. So the doc type is a HTML page. Inside that, you are going to use head tag, body tag, header 1, title, paragraph, button. These are the tags we are going to use. Title is to provide the title of the web page, and header 1 is going to provide the first header of the web page. Paragraph, you can write number of text areas. You can have more number of lines. Button is going to create a button. So these are the tags we are going to use to provide in the HTML structure. So HTML is the outer tag. Inside the first is title. Next is inside the body. Inside the body, you will be getting header, paragraph and button. So finally, you will be closing with the HTML tag. This is about the HTML structure. CSS style. It is light blue background. What is the color of the background of the page? Is light blue background. Centered text. I want button color as a green button. So these are the properties you are going to provide inside the CSS style. So inside this HTML structure, you can provide the CSS file as a tag or under the style tag, or you can keep it as a separate CSS file. If you are going to keep it separate .css file, then it can be used in the multiple HTML pages. CSS style. It makes the page visually appearing by styling the text, layout and colors. In the body of the HTML page, I want the background color, text align, font family as this. Inside the button, I want the background color as a green, color as a white and padding as a 10px. So these are the properties for the body of the HTML page and button of the HTML page I'm going to provide using this CSS. JavaScript behavior. So document.getElement by ID. So I want to take this button, and when I'm going to click this button, it has to perform some function. Then it will give me the message of button clicked. I'm repeating one more time. Inside this HTML page, under the script tag, you are going to write the Java programming, Java scripting. In this, I'm going to get element one by one. The element what I have taken is my button. When I'm going to click this button, this alert message has to come in the UI that is called button clicked. So user clicks the button, JavaScript code runs and alert message will pop up. This is the sequence of the events it is going to take care when you run this code, when you write this code inside the HTML page. This is how JavaScript connects the user actions to the result on the page. This is about JavaScript behavior. Summary. The component what I used in this page is HTML, CSS, JavaScript. In this HTML, I'm going to take the role of structure or content. In the CSS, I'm going to provide styling or designing. In the JavaScript, I'm going to give interactive or logic. So, HTML to CSS to JavaScript makes the structure, design and behavior. Try customize your page, change the button color or display your name when clicked. What is the customization you can do on this page? Whatever the HTML page you are going to design, change the display color of the button or display your name when it is clicked. So these are the dynamic behaviors we can see in the HTML page, and this is at the basic level. What are the facilities we are going to provide in this course? Every day you can clear your doubts. For that, daily doubt clarification session. Every weekend you will be provided with the assignment that is given by weekly assignments. 6 mini projects after you complete this course. 1 major project. Interview questions and answer support for each chapters. Resume preparation and assistance. Mock-up interview questions. Course completion certificate will be provided once you complete the course. And after completion of the course, the internship certificate will be provided. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned to Provoke Trainings for more exciting content like this. If you have any queries regarding today's content, or if you need any upgraded content, please post your queries and inquiries in this below link. As well, if any information regarding the course, please provide your full name, mobile number, email ID, location, and what is the course you are opting for. Please submit the button and provide your details. Our team will contact back to you to get more inquiries and to answer your questions. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please put your thumbs up. Please press the subscription button, as well as please comment on the video. Thanks for watching. Signing off, Ambika.